But here's the sound that I'm getting. When I start to run it, and it's extremely loud when operating. I do get to a point right here where it kind of binds up a little bit. So I'm not sure what that is.